The city of Yuyao in East China's Zhejiang province has been hit hard by torrential rain since the arrival of Typhoon Fitao on Monday. Local residents, including Lu Tianjin, are resorting to unusual methods of transport, such as cranes and rafts, since their cars are useless on the flooded streets.
At first, I used the crane to take my friend to a bus terminal in the morning. Many people asked to board the vehicle on the way.
Lu transported dozens of people to the bus terminal for more than 4 hours without even taking time to eat lunch. As of Wednesday morning, Yuyao has seen record precipitation of almost 500 millimeters. About 70% of its downtown area has been flooded, and more than 830,000 people have been affected. Power, tap water, and telecommunications have been cut off in most areas of the city. Schools, government organs, and factories have suspended operation. Rafts made out of wood and tires have also been used to get around in the flood, although they can only transport small numbers of people. Local resident Hu Chao is repairing flat tires for his raft. He said he's been rowing in the water for some time. Some residents are suffering food and drinking water shortages.
We have lived on biscuits, instant noodles, and other food for several days. Nothing is left in the supermarkets. A friend will take us out of the city soon.
Traffic in the city remains paralyzed, and many households have run out of food and water. They will need to leave the city to buy necessities or wait for help from others. Water levels began to fall on Tuesday, and the local meteorological department predicted that the levels will soon see a significant decline. The city government has promised that it will make every effort to ensure the basic livelihoods of local residents. Relief materials have already been distributed to many people.